Giving a gift to someone who has just bought a new home is more than just a thoughtful gesture. It's a way to celebrate a major milestone in their life. Moving into a new space can be both exciting and overwhelming, and a well-chosen gift can help make the transition smoother and more enjoyable. Gifts not only add a personal touch to their new surroundings, but also show your support and happiness for their achievement. Whether it's something practical, like a decorative item for their home, or something fun and unique, your gift can help make their new place feel more like home. The act of giving itself strengthens relationships and leaves a lasting positive impression. It's a simple yet powerful way to share in their joy and help them start this new chapter with a smile.